everybody, Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Again, my all-time favorite GT350. It's a 2017 running 93 octane. We did some mods. We are going to watch a dyno pull. And what's cool is we're going to look at numbers are before and after. But it's the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger with the Whipple calibration. This is a high producer, laying down 790 real horsepower. We are going to talk more about that. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, as always, I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and look at the engine compartment, but here's the mods on the sweet 17 GT350. And when you look at this, and I'm talking about if you wonder what's it cost to get installed, simply email quote@brentspeed.com to find that out, or check that description on. You can open it up, click on links, and we can ship all this right to your door. But GT350, Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger, bill of oil pump gears, and all our cooling mods. Doug, come down, take a look. So we have the Gen 5 Whipple, which right out of the box comes with a big 132mm throttle body. So if you just have a normal GT Mustang and you have buy a stage 1 kit, you don't get that. You have to buy the stage 2 to get this, but it's included on the Whipple. High flow injectors, killer setup. We did the rear cylinder head cooling kit. We did our big Adler radiator. It's a 6 setup. We also installed a carbon fiber drive shaft. So when you watch this dyno video, you're gonna see it's higher than a lot of the other 350s we build running the Whipple calibration. Most of these cars, bone stock put down with the Whipple, 745 to 755 real horsepower. This baby is coming in at 790. So what we have today is good air, a high producer, and the carbon fiber drive shaft. Definitely helps those numbers at the rear wheels, because every car we've been putting those on has been making sick numbers. Check out this dyno pull. All right, let's check out the numbers. And like I said earlier, we did do a dyno pull on this thing stock. Doug, come over here, take a look. DynoJet SAE, bone stock, 462 real horsepower, about 7,200 RPM. Right now we're at 796 and 7,600 RPM. Torque stock, 386 right here, 4,700. 570 with the blower, 6,200 RPM. Let's take one more look at the car, because this thing's awesome. And you know, you can always leave a comment, ask questions. I'm happy to answer. But 17350, super clean car, and it's crazy. You can literally just install the Gen 5 Whipple on here with the Whipple calibration and make that kind of power. And keep in mind, I will put a link at the end to our other GT350 videos. This is what I call a high producer. Expect 740 to 750, 740, 760, in that range. You have a stock 350, just installing that, but this one came out awesome. So hey, my name is Brent. Like I said earlier, leave that comment if you have any questions. Happy to answer. And how do you get a hold of us? We are in Indiana. Open that description and you can find where we're located. You can click on these parts we just talked about. You email quote@brentspeed.com. Say, what's that cost to get installed? Subscribe, hit notify us up to date. Thanks for watching.